And this is the average. A 12 lakh typically ended up at 30 lakhs on an average return of 17%. This is in the Nifty. Everybody knows what the Nifty is. Nifty is how we judge the market, right? Which means that if you have done a 10-year SIP, any time, at any time starting any time in 1995, that's a good 18 years or 19 years back. Okay, there are 107 and now you can add another 4 or 5 series, right? You would not have made less than 9% return. There hasn't been a single series where you made a return of, this is data. This is in the Nifty. There hasn't been a single series where you have made less than this. And on an average you have made 17. And of course, max if you are lucky, you made 27%. Okay. Would you say this is guaranteed?
No. The 17% is compounded.
Compounded, very much. All returns are compounded, obviously. Oh, absolutely.
CAGR.
Sorry, they are CAGR, absolutely.
17% is good.
Superb. Yeah. And this is post-tax. This is post-tax return, right? Because returns on equity is not taxable.
But Nifty started.
Nifty started in 94. Have you taken 92? Nifty started in 92. 92, 93. Early 90s. National Stock Exchange started and we started Nifty in a year or so. 95, we've taken Jan 95 because Demat trading started in Jan 95 and I think the stock markets were different from Jan 95 onwards. That's the reason why we picked up Jan 95. What this tells you is, of course, mutual funds are not allowed to guarantee or सस्ता हो जाता है. What is the beauty of systematic? It didn't matter. As long as people didn't bother कि मार्केट कम हो गया है, कैसा लग रहा है मार्केट, खरीद लूं. कभी भी आपने शुरू किया हो, 10 साल तक अगर आपने सेम पैसा कंटिन्यूअसली डाला है तो कम से कम 9% रिटर्न तो आपको मिला है. वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू इन्फ्लेशन, स्लाइटली बेटर देन इन्फ्लेशन ऑन एन एवरेज, एंड दिस इज पोस्ट टैक्स. Okay, and that's the minimum, and that's in the index. As long as you invest systematically, it reduces risk. History tells you that you have made returns. It's not guaranteed, but if you have made returns over such long periods of time, and as long as you are not bearish on your country, okay. We have had political upheavals, we have had everything during from 95 onwards, right? It isn't that today is any worse than what it was during a long 18-19 year period that we are talking about. So as long as I think you invest regularly without a break, without looking at things, you have made money in the past. That really is the key to wealth. But if it is so easy, I think a lot of you knew the answer, that let's do mutual fund SIPs, it is a good way to make wealth. Why are people not able to do it? Why are people not able to do it? Any guesses?
How to choose which SIP is good for you?
Nifty, I showed you Nifty. What is there to choose in the Nifty?
Nifty, it is mutual fund index or Nifty Bs to buy. Which is better?
Your choice. The Nifty index is convenient. It is a little more expensive.
NSE is giving facility for buying Nifty Bs also.
Nifty Bs you have to proactively buy. Doing a SIP in Nifty Bs is not possible because Nifty Bs is quoted. So you have to send money to your broker, he buys for you. Whereas in a Nifty index you can just give a standing instruction, the money will come into your account and debit. You pay a little more money. It's just more convenient. And in this, discipline is the key. And that is why for lay people, I always say the index. Okay? But if you technically look at it, Nifty Bs would have given you better returns. Okay? But would you have been able to do it? That God alone
You
knows.
can buy on every first of the month. And you can do
If you have that discipline and self-control to do it, I think that is slightly better. Definitely it is slightly better. Okay? But if it is so easy, why have more people not done it? Why have more people not done it?
इमरजेंसी आता है, पैसा जमा हो जाता है
हाँ.
तो इमरजेंसी दिखाई देता है, पैसा
People are not doing because people are afraid
First
of
and
market.
foremost, their discipline is not there.
Yeah.
People are afraid of
Discipline.
market.
People are afraid of market. Okay. You're missing the biggest reason why people don't do SIPs.
Don't see any good returns in shorter span of time.
You don't see good returns in shorter span of time. That's not the biggest reason. And it is amazing what the biggest reason is. This is research proven.
डिफॉल्टिंग.
Okay, how many people have drivers? You have a driver, right? How many times do you brake the car when your driver is driving?
50%
Okay, a lot of time. He is driving fast, you are braking, although you have no control.
Side driving.
Right?
Side driving.
Backseat driving.
Ah,
Okay, I
side
mean, in the sense you feel lack of control. Right? Making money through SIPs is boring. It is bloody boring. Okay? You made a huge amount of money on SIPs. You're sitting with your friend over a drink. Can you tell him? कि देख मैंने शेयर 100 रुपए में खरीदा था 500 रुपया हो गया. बोल सकते हो?
There is no thrill.
There is no thrill. It doesn't give you boasting rights. तो 100 का 500 आप बोलते हो और 100 का 1 रुपया हो गया वो तो कोई जाके बोलता नहीं है किसी को. Right? सिप में हमेशा पैसा बनाते हो but you know it is like the wife and girlfriend syndrome. There are no ladies in the room. Right? SIP is like your wife. Okay? Will deliver always. Has delivered in the past. Okay? You just have to make sure that you are disciplined. Okay? And the other big reason that somebody mentioned.
So you're saying if you love your wife, you go for SIP.
The Hawkins guys will love that, right? Hawkins guys have that, right? Hawkins are the ones who do that. Prestige. My God, the Prestige guys will be horrified. How do I remember the ad? Okay. Another big reason why people. One is you don't feel proud. You're not in control, and that's very important. आपने शेयर बेच दिया, उसके बाद भाव देखते हो? नहीं, किसी ने नहीं देखा. मैंने बेच दिए सारे शेयर, अच्छे भाव में बेच दिए. बाद में भाव देखते हो?
बढ़ जाता है.
हाँ? देखते हो क्या? भाव देखते हो? क्यों देखते हो? सर बेच तो दिया. अब क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है आपको? क्यों देखते हो भाव? क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है आपको?
I know it, but it is all psychological. Yeah, it is all very psychological. If I had kept it, what would have happened?
So it is because, and again this is proven by research, human beings are social animals. They care what other people think about them. So when I have sold shares and I look at prices later, I want to see, does the market agree with what I did? So if it falls, you are very happy. देखा? मुझे पता था. If it goes up, you feel sad. फर्क कुछ नहीं पड़ा, ना आपको लॉस हुआ ना आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ. But as a human being, as a social animal, it matters to you what other people think about what you did. And that is the problem with SIP. Okay? You can't boast about the money you make in a SIP at a drink. Okay? Are you going to let that stop you from making potlucks of money? You decide. I think you should decide. That is really the key. The other big reason is that invariably, if you see, the first one you remember, investor one, who started in January 95, 10,000 rupees, ended up at 22,50,000. From Jan 95, when he reached June of 2003, okay, 106 installments, which means he had invested 10,60,000. 8.5 years into the SIP, in a 10-year SIP, he was at a loss. 8.5 years into this SIP, he was in a loss. 1060 was worth 998. This is data, sir. Now, Harsh Rungta in this workshop has told you 10 years SIP करोगे तो पैसा तो मिलेगा. Okay. लेकिन वो Jan 95 वाले ने तो देखा 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो, यहाँ तो नुकसान लगा हुआ है. 10 के 8.5 साल तो गुजर गए, पैसा मिलने का छोड़ो ओके लेकिन वही 18 महीना वो रुक गया, दैट वाज नॉट द मिनिमम, दैट फिनिश्ड समवेयर इन द एवरेज। वो 18 महीने में दैट 1020 was what he had invested, 102 महीने हुए थे, okay, that 1020 became 2250, although he invested just 180 more, okay, that was the famous jump that happened in 2004-5. That is the power of a sale. If you ignore, you need to be able to ignore the ups and downs. If you are not able to do that, if you don't maintain the discipline, invariably its equity is a risky, nobody can guarantee, right? So only history can guarantee that it hasn't happened that if you kept the faith for 10 years, you haven't been rewarded. And I think history is a great guarantee. If some things have always happened, the chances that it will also happen in the future are reasonably good. I mean, that is the best guarantee that you can get in an investment. It's better than a stamp duty guarantee, stamp paper guarantee of the kind that I spoke about. Yeah? So I think this is the key lesson. If you one thing you take away from the workshop, okay, boring plus predictable equal to wealthy. So you now need to decide, you want to be sexy but poor, or boring but wealthy. So keep aside some money for sexy. Always we tell our clients, because lack of control is very difficult. So drive your car some days. Keep some money aside, because you also need to feel control, you need to get thrill. Okay? But put most of your money to work in a boring and predictable manner. Any questions on this? Okay?
So, but when you know there is an investment which will end. So, for example, there are certain investment wherein I'm doing an SIP
Right.
of 10,000 per month, and I know I have to just give that amount of money, 10 lakh rupees, उतना ही देना है. Future में the return will be so. So, कोई डेडलाइन पता है मुझे 10 लाख तक ही तो देना है. यहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो डालते जाओ पैसे, 10 साल के बाद भी पता नहीं कितना होगा.
Return मिलेगा. But your question was?
So in a real estate thing
Hmm.
that I'm looking at,
Hmm.
वहाँ पे बोलता है कि 10 साल आप डालो पैसा, 10 लाख रुपया होगा, whatever, just 10,000 EMI डालो. You know, 10 lakh is the amount that I have to really pay. And आगे जो खड़ा है अपने पास, जो real estate बनेगा, that will be humongous, बड़ा होगा.
मतलब आपको पैसे कम चाहिए हैं, रिटर्न ज्यादा मिल रहा है, ये बोल रहे हो?
पैसे का आपको डेडलाइन पता है कि 10 लाख ही डालना है आपको,
ओके.
लेकिन आपको EMI दे रहा है और SIP दे रहा है उसको.
हाँ, हाँ.
और म्यूचुअल फंड में ऐसा नहीं है ना, आप तो 10 डालते जा रहे हो, 10,000 10,000 10,000 10 साल में.
हाँ.
You still don't expect,
You don't know.
you don't know.
When to get
So you
out.
know it in real estate, is it?
So yeah, so
You know it.
कि 10 लाख ही देना है, इन्हें वैसा है.
नहीं, कितना मिलेगा वो पता है आपको रियल
कितना नहीं,
एस्टेट?
बट I can expect that कि predict कर सकते हैं कि कितना हो सकता है ना रियल
और
एस्टेट.
इसमें म्यूचुअल फंड में नहीं
Here
कर
also
सकते,
you
वो
need to
कौन कर
monitor.
सकता है प्रेडिक्ट? रियल एस्टेट में तो हिस्ट्री भी नहीं है.
Here
यहाँ
you
तो
need
आपके
to
पास
monitor.
प्रोवन हिस्ट्री है.
Correct.
रियल एस्टेट में कौन दे रहा है?
I
बिल्डर.
don't have a data.
Builder is giving you
You
promise.
can monitor by NME.
I don't have a data.
So if you look at data, we have some data. Happy to share data. Okay, we have tracked ready reckoner rates. Okay, in Bombay across all localities. If you do 10-year point-to-point returns,
Mhm.
okay, the return, average return is close to 9.6 real estate, and that's in Colaba, and that's the best performing locality. Okay,
If
so
you had invested in Nariman Point,
So don't-
10 साल बाद क्या होगा? How do you know?
guarantee तो
Again-
नया real estate में है.
Again, giving justice to the illustration, every investment was for 10 years. Investor A, investor B, investor C, so you know it is 10 lakhs for 10 years.
Okay, anybody feels कि ये सब ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बातें ठीक है, पैसे कहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं? हाँ? है any problem? Anybody faces this problem?
Yes.
Nobody? Very rich room of rich investors. Huh?
This is the main problem.
This is the main problem.
The problem.
Oh my God. Okay. So we incorporated this when we did a workshop for students. Okay. कि बोले सर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट की बताते हैं, पैसे कहाँ हैं? Okay. So कहाँ से आएंगे पैसे? कहाँ से आएंगे? आप बताइए. I mean, I can't manufacture money. कहाँ से आएंगे?
cut the expenses.
Cut down on beer, but कोई beer और burger नहीं करता हो तो उसके पास कहाँ से आएंगे?
So some other thing which is not actually required.
Okay.
Cut down on movies and
Cut down on movies and
identify need and want.
identify a need and want.
So what Robert Kiyosaki, one of the great gurus, said, like rich people, they always say, how could I afford it, rather than saying cutting down. So at the time we will see there is no passion in life. If you will evaluate, you will be wealthy, but the time would have been passed by.
And it worked well for him.
Yeah.
It worked well for him,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So okay. So I can only quote from another rich person that I follow.
Warren Buffett.
Okay, Warren Buffett. Okay, and what he says that, you know, spend what is left after investing, not okay, invest what is left after spending. Okay, and one way to implement that, okay, which he has not said, okay, but which we've learned from clients, okay, which they have implemented success. It is difficult, okay, is what I call the 80-20 rule. Okay, this is what you do is whatever is your income. If you are on pocket money, that's what we did with the students. Or whatever is your salary or your business income, 20% is transferred out. It's not available. And then that you invest, and where to invest is what this workshop is about. Okay. And now you just have to manage within that 80%. So if within that 80% you can afford movies, beers, but it is very tough. It's very easy. This is a slide on a PPT. It's very easy to say this. Okay, it is very tough to do. It's extremely tough to do. But the good news is it becomes easier after the second or the third month if you stick to it. Just like any other bad habit. How many of you have ever given up smoking? Anybody has given up smoking? Giving up smoking is the easiest thing in the world. I have done it so many times. Okay, but I mean, the first time is difficult, right? When you just given it up, anything you are giving up, first few days are difficult. Same way, this 20% is very difficult for the first month or second month. But slowly, just like expenses balloon to meet the amount of income, expenses also reduce to meet the amount of income available. Just make less income available. Tough one, it is something that you can try. It is something that you can try. Don't try it for yourself, try it for your children. Okay? I mean, I have done this very successfully with my son. Okay, from his first paycheck, okay, I have told him 20% of his money is mine as repayment for all the things that I have done for him over the years. Okay, I mean, he's bought a flat. I mean, he is doing a regular job. He's just in the first or second year of his job. So the point is, you can follow this with any amount of money. In his case, it was far simpler. The reason it is simpler for the people who earn their first income is their expenses have not yet caught up to their income. So before that happens, make sure his income is low or her income is low. It works beautifully with children who are going in for their first salary. Do it from the first salary. Don't allow it to go to the second salary. Try it for yourself, if at all it is a problem. Okay, so we have had this workshop now, and I think now is the time to pay up. आई मीन 2 लाख रुपए का तो चेक नहीं लाए आप लोग, तो हम लोग लिखना भूल गए थे, लेकिन पैसे a big lesson that we will learn from those 100 rupees. Okay, please.
मांग लिए, देना तो पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल देना पड़ेगा।
दरवाजा बंद किया है
हमने दरवाजे भी बंद कर दिए हैं, थोड़ी देर के लिए दरवाजे बंद कर दिए हैं।
मेरे वो पैसा ऑफिस में मेरा नाम
वापस नहीं है।
डबल करके दे रहे हैं, अब क्या कर रहे
वो मैं
अगले
बताऊंगा,
साल।
ऐसे सब चीज पहले ही आप मदारी से सारी चीजें पहले ही पूछेंगे तो तरकीब का मजा नहीं आएगा
हैं?
करने का।
थ्रिल जनरेट
बाद में
कर
आपसे ही
रहे हैं।
400 लूंगा।
चेक नहीं लेते साहब, चेक नहीं साहब, कैश कैश। बाजू वाले से उधार ले लीजिए अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो। पैसे दे दिए ना उन्होंने, जो भी उठ के जा रहे हैं। 300 हो गया सबसे कलेक्ट पैसा। किसी ने नहीं दिया भाई? सबने दिया ना? बहुत फायदा होने वाला है इसमें, इस वर्कशॉप से आपको बहुत फायदा होगा, और सबसे ज्यादा ये 100 रुपए से होने वाला है। तो नहीं दिया तो बता दीजिए, ये जादुई पैसे हैं ये। चलो दे दिए सबने?